Here we are, our new home.
This is it, New York, let's go.
It is very big.
Yes, and it is ours. Let's go inside.
This box is very heavy.
Be careful, Brown. Don't drop it.
This is so heavy.
Jack, your box is very small.
This is our living room.
This is amazing.
Jack, stop!
This is our new apartment. This is home.
Is it a good apartment?
Yes, it is a very good apartment.
This is my bedroom?
Yes, your bedroom? Do you like it?
I think yes. I like it.
Hello? 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 Ha! It echoes.
Jack, be quiet, please.
Sorry, Mom. The bathroom has an echo.
The kitchen is small. That is okay.
We can cook here, no problem.
Yes, we will see.
Look at that. It is so beautiful.
Wow, it is so big.
I can see the bridge and the river.
Sophia, what is this?
It is a kitchen thing, Brown. Put it down carefully.
Okay, very carefully.
I am Robot Jack.
Stop it, Jack!
Robot Jack does not stop.
Jack, take that off, please.
It is very busy here. Very loud.
Okay, I can do this. I live in New York now.
1, living room. 2, kitchen. 3, bedroom. 4, bathroom.
Good job, Anna. 4 rooms.
We have 4 rooms.
This building is so big.
Yes, very big.
How many floors, Dad?
Many floors, Jack.
Hello, we are new here. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am Brown. This is my family. Hi. Hi, dog. Hello, dog. You are so cute. New York is very loud, very fast.
I live here now. I can do this.
I miss our old house. I miss my old room, my old friends.
We will make new friends. Don't worry. Do you think so, Mom? Yes, I know so.
Where is the school? This is complex.
It is here, Dad. I know it.
Thank you, Jack. That is the river.
Where is the school? I think it is here.
Yes, good. Turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner. I understand.
Hello, Pigeon. I am Jack. No! Come back, Pigeon. Come back.
We need a table.
We can sit on the floor. It is fine.
On the floor? Okay. This is our life now.
Sleep well, Anna. Good night, Mom.
Welcome home, family.
Good morning, everyone. Wake up.
Good morning. Where are we?
We are in New York, Brown. Get up.
5 more minutes.
Small kitchen, big breakfast. Let's do this. Eat slowly, Jack. Use the fork.
Is there more toast?
Thank you for breakfast, Mom.
I am ready. First day of work. I can do this.
You look great, Brown. Have a good day.
Thank you, Sophia. I am ready. Where is the subway? I do not see it. Excuse me? Excuse me. Coming through. The subway. I am here. Here we go. This is my train. I got lost. This is the wrong train. I am on the wrong train. Okay. I am lost. I need help.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Yes, turn left at the exit, then take the 6 train.
Turn left at the exit, then take the 6 train.
That's right. You got it.
Thank you so much. You are very kind. I got lost. I am okay. Coming soon.
He got on the wrong train.
Is Dad okay, Mom?
Yes, he is okay. Dad is fine. He is a little lost.
Yes, this is the right train. I did it. New York subway. You are very difficult.
Juice is ready. Come and drink.
The floor table is ready.
Good job, Anna. Very good.
We have no table, but we have breakfast. That is good.
I like eating on the floor. This is fun.
Me too. Maybe a little.
First day of work. I am ready. Good morning. I am Brown. Nice to meet you.
Notebook, pencils, water bottle. Ready.
I am nervous. What if they don't like me?
Don't worry, Anna. We are great. Let's go.
You are very confident, Jack.
Thank you, Anna. I know.
Let's go. School is waiting.
Finally! Come on, Anna. Let's go.
Okay, I am coming. Let's go. The school is 2 blocks. Turn left at the corner.
I see a coffee shop and a flower stand.
Stop, look both ways. Now we walk. Left, right, no cars. Now we go. It is very big.
I know. I am ready.
Yes, you are both ready. Let's go inside. Anna, hold Jack's hand.
I am fine, Mom.
Come on, Jack. I have your hand. Jack, we go in now.
I know.
Jack, your feet.
You are brave, Jack. Go in. I know you can do this.
Okay.
That's my boy.
Go. Look at the drawings on the wall.
There is a trophy case. I want to look.
Hello, you must be Anna and Jack. Welcome. I am Miss Cindy.
Hello, nice to meet you. I am Sophia. This is Anna and Jack.
Welcome to New York. Welcome to our class.
Hello. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I am so glad you are here.
Jack, say hello.
Hello?
Hi, Jack. I am Cindy. You can call me Miss Cindy.
Hi.
Hi, Jack. I am very happy you are here. This is our classroom. Come in, come in.
Look at all the drawings and the books.
There is a globe in a big bookshelf.
This is your seat, Anna. Sit down here.
Thank you, teacher.
I am ready. This is my seat.
Almost. Your seat is here.
Yes, of course. I know.
Have a good day. I will see you after school.
Good morning, everyone. Say it with me. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course, Anna. I am happy to help you.
Cindy is our new teacher. She is very nice.
I chased pigeons today. There were so many.
Cool. I like pigeons too.
I think I like school.
And then all the pigeons flew up like this.
He chased all the pigeons in the park.
I am professional. I am ready. I can do this. Good morning. I am Brown. It is my first day.
Welcome. We are happy to have you here. Here is your office key card. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This is my desk. I am ready to work. Hello. I am Brown. I am new here. Nice to meet you. Good morning. I am Brown. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Brown.
Excuse me. Where is the bathroom, please? I found it. I found the bathroom.
Lunchtime. I am hungry. I need food. A deli. What is a deli? I don't understand the menu. It is very big. What is a deli? Ah, a sandwich shop. Good. I would like the number 7 with mustard and extra pickles.
On the pickle roll?
Is that not correct?
This section is sandwiches. This is hot food. What do you like?
I see. Sandwiches are here. Hot food is here.
Can I have a sandwich, please? Turkey on white bread.
Perfect choice. Coming right up.
How much is this?
$8.50.
$8.50. Thank you. Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your sandwich.
This is very good. The New York deli sandwich is very, very good. Hello, my dear. I had a sandwich. It is delicious. How are the kids?
They are good. Jack made a friend. Anna smiled.
That is wonderful. That is really wonderful. I think I like New York. I work here now. This is my office. My desk, my city. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. First day done. I am coming home. See you soon.
Anna, Jack, how was school?
It was great.
It was good. Teacher Cindy is very nice.
I made a friend. His name is Marco. He likes soccer.
That is wonderful. Tell me everything.
I have decided. Cindy is our new teacher. She is very nice.
Thank you for that decision, Jack.
Let's explore the neighborhood.
Yes!
Yes!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Where do we go?
The park!
Look at that fruit stand and the coffee shop.
This is a nice neighborhood. I like it.
Look at that bakery. Oh, look at the pastries and the bread.
Welcome. Everything is fresh today.
It smells so good in here.
Cookies! Look at the cookies!
Can I have that muffin, please?
Of course. Which one?
That one. The blueberry one.
That one, the big one, please.
Good choice.
I know.
How much is this?
$12.
Here you are. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
The pigeons, they are everywhere.
Oh, look, a park. It is beautiful.
It is very nice. I want to sit here.
Jack, stop chasing the pigeons.
But they are my friends, Mom.
Let him run. He is happy.
Oh, hello, little pigeon.
The pigeons are everywhere.
Yes, and Jack loves them all.
A grocery store. We need food. We need bread and eggs and juice.
Excuse me, where is the bread?
Aisle 3 on the left.
Thank you. How much is this?
$3.99.
Good, I'll take it.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon. Have a good evening.
There they are. Sophia, Anna, Jack. I like New York.
I like it too.
The pigeons are my friends now.
Yes, Jack. The pigeons are your friends.
I like it here. I am so glad, Anna. So am I. I am tired.
I am tired too, but it was a good day.
Let's eat pizza tonight.
Yes, pizza. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, please. Pizza is good.
Hello. I would like 2 large pizzas. Delivery, please. The address is...
Is it here yet? Is it here yet?
Not yet, Jack.
Is it here now?
Still no, Jack.
Finally, the pizza's here.
Thank you very much. Here is the payment.
We have no table.
We can sit on the floor. Welcome to dinner on the floor.
Dinner on the floor? Amazing!
Okay, it is like a picnic.
This is fun. I like the floor.
I am tired.
I am still hungry.
One more slice, Jack.
Thank you.
Today was a big day.
It was. We did it.
We did it.
I like New York.
I like it here. I am so glad, Anna. So am I.
The pigeons are my friends now.
Yes, Jack.
Yes, the pigeons are your friend.
Dad, Is tomorrow a good day too?
Tomorrow will be better.
Sleeping bags ready? Time to sleep.
Good night, everyone. Good night, New York.
And tomorrow I will find more pig.
Thank you for watching Easy English for Beginners. See you next time. Goodbye. Subscribe for new English episodes every week. Like this video if you learned something today.